Alright, this is the final step. To complete the verification, you'll need to complete 2 offers. Each app or game shows you what to do. Just follow the steps to complete it. You can choose any app or game you like from the list. For this example, I'm going to choose Travel Town. The game is downloading now. Once it's installed, let's open it up and start playing. For this offer, we need to reach level 10, so let's get started. Let's go back to the offer page and choose another offer to download. For my second offer, I'll choose Family Island. And remember, check below the offer to see what you need to complete. Now you can delete the app or game from your phone. Let's go back and check the result.